At Catalyst Hydraulic Machining, we're a grinding machine shop serving the aerospace and medical industries. Prior to using KeyedIn Manufacturing, a lot of the different documents were getting generated basically by hand, maybe simple Excel spreadsheets, keeping track of document numbers, basically everything manually. You're keeping a list, you're either scribbling it down on a notepad or keeping it in an Excel document, and so keeping track of everything from packing lists or cert numbers to PO numbers, and any type of work order was basically a task where you're constantly double checking for accuracy. We utilize KeyedIn in order to see what we're completing per machine, per time period, and we're constantly calculating where our efficiencies and inefficiencies are. So keeping the machine up and running is our #1 priority. We want to be efficient and we want to be up. And keeping track of that using not only our job scheduling but also the shop floor module makes it very easy to have that visibility. My daily operations, everything runs through KeyedIn. From whether it's purchasing goods or tooling for the manufacturing operations, or creating work orders, creating sales orders, creating packing slips, every single piece of the business I interact with KeyedIn Manufacturing. Having the shop floor module as well has been helpful in keeping track of which work orders are due at what time, scheduling, and then keeping track of the labor hours or the amount of time that we're spending on each different work order. I didn't want to have to invest up front in all the different IT hardware and infrastructure that I would have to put in, and then also have to worry about the failure of that IT hardware if that was to happen. Being a small business, I knew that I wanted to have something that was cloud-based. It really can be tailored to fit any business that's in manufacturing because of the customization that you can implement. Having an ERP system that was not only fitting manufacturing, but also would be customizable to the exact type of service that I'm doing was something that really drew me to it versus the competition or other products I would have to work around. So working with the implementation team at KeyedIn has been really enjoyable. I feel like each one of them we speak on a daily to at least once a week basis, even if it's just touching base, seeing how I'm doing, or if there are any issues that I encounter and or needs that I have. We touch base on the phone and on a web conference 2 to 3 times a week, and other than that we contact through email constantly, and so I feel like they've had a very high level of responsiveness. And that was one of the biggest differences for me. I would definitely recommend KeyedIn to other business owners, whether they're a small business or a medium-sized business. I think it's a great system that, #1, it's reliable. It's obviously, being a cloud-based system, you can access it anywhere. And I think that anyone who's looking, whether they're gonna switch ERP systems or just getting into it, I think they're gonna find that it's able to meet their needs.